Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to a fun video. In today's video, to bring a smile on your face, I will start a fun art today. So let's get started. So for this, I have to change the old decoration rack into a new one by using the CDs. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the old rack which I have to transform. The things I needed is the glue, which is very important, the CDs, and the pair of scissors. So I hope you like my video today. It is a fun video, it is an art video to change your boring Sundays into a creative one. Thanks for liking my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.